So let's talk about the digital planners and the two main differences between the two of them. So for one, there's obviously one that's more of a neutral color palette, and while there's one that's a pink, red, white, baddie themed color palette. So there's that difference. Not everyone prefers pink. So there's that. Second of all, one is on 2 pages, right? And one is on 1 page, meaning one has a horizontal layout, meaning it's intended for you to use your iPad this way, and the other is vertical, which is intended for you to use the iPad the opposite way. Second of all, the neutral planner also has daily planning pages, so that if you're a person who just likes to digital plan outside of just your budget, there are the budget planning pages, the debt payoff, the savings challenge pages, etc. But there are also monthly, daily, weekly planner pages for people who enjoy digital planning. Outside of that, there isn't really a huge difference. I feel like you get a little bit more bang for your buck if you're super into using your iPad with the neutral planner, but the pink one works just fine as well, and a lot of people prefer just that simple cut and dry, this is just for my budget type of planner. So let's talk actually downloading the digital planner. So I'm just able to show you the iPad version because that's all I have. So the first thing you want to do is find this files folder. As you can see right here, here's the files folder. And that's where your download will be. So once you download it from the site, from your email, however you choose to download it, you should download it to your iPad and it should show up here in your files folder. So you want to find the planner. Okay, and inside of the planner, I actually include a little PDF showing you how to download it, okay? But just in case you're a visual learner like me, you want to go ahead and click and, You want to go ahead and click and open the planner, and it's going to look like, oh my God, girl, this is 1,001 pages. This is not what I was expecting. True. We have to get it into the GoodNotes app. The GoodNotes app is right here, and it just looks like a little pen writing on a piece of paper. You can download it. I think right now still they have the promotion where you can put 3 books or planners inside of there for free. It used to cost $10, but I think it's free now. So here we are with our planner, and we want to hit this share button up here in the right hand corner, and we want to share it to GoodNotes. So you want to scroll down to where it says open in GoodNotes, and it's going to open it here inside of our GoodNotes app, and you want to import it as a new document, and it's going to go ahead and pull it over for you so that you can use it as a planner. So here we are inside of our budget planner. Remember, this one is, intended to be used on 2 pages. That's why it's so small and far out. But you can zoom if you prefer to use it on 1 page. Okay, and then keep in mind, if you want to use the hyperlinks, which is the ability to click January and go to January, you have to make sure that your pen is turned off. Your pen is over here in this right hand corner, and you just want to go ahead and turn the pen off. And then you can use the hyperlinks to navigate the planner. And here is where I was showing you, here are the financial pages, right? So you have your bill trackers, your monthly budget, etc. But you also have these weekly and monthly pages. So over here on the left hand side of your finance calendar, you can click week 1 and you can plan out your actual weeks. So you can go click 1, 2, 3, or 4, plan out your top priorities for the weeks, your goals, all those things. That's included with this planner. And if we go back to January, to our finance planner, if you go down here to the bottom and you see these number days, you can click these as well. And this is more of a daily planner. So again, you can put your top 3 priorities, plan your meals if you're a person who enjoys planning on like an hour by hour basis. That's available. As well as over here, there's a place to leave where you're grateful, what you learned, your achievements, and then just a little free area for those of you who prefer like a Hobonichi style, or just, to leave whatever you need for that day. So all of that is included with the neutral planner. You download the pink one the exact same way. The pink one just has the finance pages.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Now I'm not the problem, man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that